How to export your spending data to Excel from Bank of America. Exporting your spending data from Bank of America is a quick process. What you want to do is, first thing first, you want to log into your online banking account of Bank of America. After which, you just want to tap on a specific bank or a credit card account that you want to export data from. And then what next you will have to do is, there you just want to scroll to the activity section and tap the download icon, typically located or on the right side of the transaction list. Once you've done that, select the specific month or choose custom data range to enter specific start and end dates. You could also select Microsoft Excel format or CSV, common spread separate value, from the drop down menu, and tap on download transactions. And that is how you're supposed to export your spending data to Excel from Bank of America. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.